Hey there, health enthusiasts. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Just like any city, it produces waste that needs to be managed properly. Now, what if the garbage collectors went on strike? Chaos, right? Similarly, our bodies constantly work to detoxify, removing harmful substances to keep us functioning smoothly. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of detoxification, understanding what causes the need for detox, what happens when our bodies struggle to detoxify, and how this impacts people around the globe. So let's dive in and discover how to keep our internal city clean and thriving. What causes the need for detoxification? Just like a city generates waste, our bodies accumulate toxins from various sources. Here are the main contributors. Environmental toxins, pollution, pesticides and chemicals in the air, water and food are like the factory smoke and industrial waste that pollute a city. Processed foods, junk food, sugary drinks and artificial additives can overload our system, much like fast food chains and convenience stores producing tons of litter. Medications. While necessary for health, some medications can leave residues in our bodies, akin to medical waste that needs careful disposal. Stress and lifestyle. Chronic stress, lack of sleep, and sedentary habits can hamper our body's ability to detoxify, much like a city suffering from traffic congestion and poor infrastructure. What happens when our bodies aren't properly detoxifying? When our bodies can't efficiently detoxify, it's like a city where garbage piles up on the streets, creating a mess. Here's what happens. Toxin buildup. Harmful substances accumulate in our body, leading to inflammation, fatigue, and a weakened immune system. Imagine trying to navigate through a city clogged with trash and debris. Organ strain. Key detox organs like the liver, kidneys, and skin work over time, leading to potential damage and reduced functionality. It's like overworking city workers until they burn out. Health issues. A poorly detoxifying body can lead to various health problems, from digestive issues and skin problems to more serious conditions like liver disease or cancer. It's similar to how a neglected city might face outbreaks of disease and structural breakdowns. How is poor detoxification affecting people around the globe? Detoxification issues are a global concern, impacting people everywhere. Here's a glimpse into its worldwide effects. Increased health problems. Many regions report rising cases of lifestyle-related diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease linked to toxin overload. It's like cities grappling with increased pollution and health crises. Healthcare costs. Treating conditions caused by poor detoxification strains healthcare systems, leading to higher costs and resource allocation. Imagine a city's budget being drained by constant cleanup efforts. Quality of life. People suffering from toxin overload experience fatigue, mental fog, and overall poor well-being, affecting productivity and happiness. It's like citizens of a polluted city struggling to find joy amidst the smog. Understanding and supporting our body's detoxification processes is crucial for maintaining good health and preventing long-term issues. By adopting healthier habits and reducing exposure to toxins, we can ensure our internal city remains clean and vibrant, ready to support us in all our endeavors. So let's make a commitment to detoxify and thrive. We're thrilled to share with you the ultimate secret detox drink that will revitalize your body and refresh your mind. Get ready to embrace a new level of wellness with this powerful elixir. Number 1. Lemon Water Cleanse. Let's kick things off with the refreshing power of lemon water. Lemons are not just a citrusy delight, they're packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that work wonders for your body's detoxification process. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water not only hydrates you, but also aids digestion, boosts your metabolism, and supports liver function. It's like giving your body a gentle wake-up call and setting the tone for a day full of vitality and energy. Number 2. Apple Cider Vinegar Boost. Now let's introduce a splash of apple cider vinegar into the mix. Apple cider vinegar has long been praised for its detoxifying properties. It contains acetic acid, which helps alkalize the body, balance pH levels, and promote detoxification. Adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to your detox drink not only adds a tangy kick, but also supports healthy digestion, reduces bloating, and boosts your immune system. It's like giving your body a refreshing boost from the inside out. Number 3. Ginger Zing. Time to spice things up with the zesty goodness of ginger. Ginger is a powerhouse of health benefits, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and digestive support. Ginger into your detox drink, or use ginger juice for a concentrated burst of flavor, you're giving your body a natural detoxifying agent. Ginger helps soothe your stomach, alleviate nausea, and stimulate digestion, making it a must-have ingredient in your secret detox recipe. It's like adding a warm hug to your detox journey, comforting and invigorating at the same time. Number 4. Cucumber Coolness. Let's cool things down with the hydrating properties of cucumber. Cucumbers are not just for spa days, they're also great for detoxifying your body. With their high water content and abundance of antioxidants, cucumbers help flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy skin. Slicing up some cucumber and letting it infuse in your detox drink adds a refreshing twist and boosts your hydration levels. It's like giving your body a cool, revitalizing drink that nourishes from the inside out. Number 5. Minty Freshness. Last but certainly not least, let's add a touch of minty freshness to our secret detox drink. Mint leaves are more than just a garnish. They're packed with health benefits. Mint aids digestion, relieves indigestion and bloating, and promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. Adding fresh mint leaves to your detox drink not only enhances the flavor, but also supports your body's natural detoxification processes. It's like a breath of fresh air for your body and mind, rejuvenating and invigorating your senses. And there you have it, the ultimate secret detox drink that will transform your health naturally.